This is a quick guide on how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Click the link in the description below this video. This takes you to the official Adobe website. Step 2. Click Start Free Trial. You'll see plans for individuals, businesses, and students. Choose individual for a single machine or business for multiple devices. I will select the individual option. This gives us a 7-day Premiere Pro trial and a 30-day Adobe Stock trial, which includes 10 assets such as images and clips for free that we can keep even if we cancel afterwards, so this is a good deal. Click Continue, enter your email, hit Continue again. Complete the required fields, which include your payment method. You will not be billed until the free trial is over. Set a reminder so you do not forget. Next, click Agree and Subscribe. You will be prompted to create a password. Set that up now. The Creative Cloud application will then download, install it, log in with your credentials, and open the app. Navigate to the Apps section and install Adobe Premiere Pro from there. That's the entire process. You now have Adobe Premiere Pro ready to use for free. Thank you for watching this guide. Happy editing.